Okay. Hi and welcome everyone to this community meeting, Keptn community meeting. As it looks right now, today we are a shorter, a smaller round, but nevertheless, let's go through the agenda. And what I have prepared is that we take a look at the open PRs that are coming in from the community. And the first one is the JMeter service, which was contributed, or changes there were contributed by Daniel Gabriel Tanner. And last time we told him that he has to fix the unit test that was failing. And now he has made this change and everything looks good. I think, yeah, it's ready to get reviewed. Is someone up for taking a review on that? You can just take a look into the code for a sec. What he did is he added this boolean here, and based on that, he decides whether the JMeter service is part of a job execution or not. And then depending on that, he also takes a look into different directories. And the same is true then for the main, where we can also then see this boolean variable. Klaus, would this something for you to review on?
I could try. At the moment, I'm not really into Go, but I could try.
Okay, can I ask you then for reviewing it? And in case you have Go questions, I think the best would be to reach out to Flo or to Bernd.
Okay.
Thanks. Then I will just add your name here. Okay. Then another contribution was made on the documentation, rather small one. This gentleman changed some typos in here. Yeah, well, okay. Here the DCO is failing, but let me just ping. All right. This was the second one. There will follow on. And now there are then 3 open PRs, which are rather big because yeah, they bring open telemetry into Keptn, and therefore also changes on the event specification was needed, as well as various components in Keptn. And I just want to show you one thing. It is this cap. Enhancement proposals. On that cap, the discussions are ongoing, how the instrumentation should look like. And we asked the author of this PR, Joao, who presented 2 weeks ago his progress and how he's doing that already in this community meeting. And we asked him to break down his rather big PR into smaller chunks. The first one should focus on properly handling the context in Go. as this is a requirement for OpenTelemetry. Then in a second PR, introducing the trace parent and trace state in our Keptn specification. And when this is merged into the spec, then the follow-up implementation on the code should happen. Then the third issue or third issue should then be the instrumentation of the components itself. And therefore we ask to break it apart into the instrumentation on the distributor, lighthouse service, and shipyard controller. And last but not least, it was a suggestion by Giovanni to also introduce a feature flag to turn on off OpenTelemetry depending on when someone needs it or doesn't need it. And this is already communicated to Joao, and this should then also be reflected by these pull requests. Okay, hi Sura. Okay. Let me just allow you to talk. Hi Sura, welcome to the community meeting. Do you have any questions?
Not really. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks for joining in. Other questions or other comments for this week?
Sorry, I had one actually.
Okay, yeah, feel free.
Yeah, I recently, my first PR to Keptn got merged, and I'm working on my second PR right now, which deals with an issue in the CLI. So this is not super urgent, but I also wanted some issue which touches the server part, basically.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So
can
sorry, go ahead.
Can you tell us the number of the issue so that we can maybe just have a look on it right now?
Yeah. Just give me a second. I don't have a draft PR right now. I'm still looking at the issue, but let me quickly paste it in the doc. Sorry, I'll just put in the chat.
Cool.
Yeah, just put in the chat. So I think this issue was raised by Andreas. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. On Slack. So I've just created an issue. I was working around this area of the PR actually. This area of the code for a different issue, which is closed now. And this issue also kind of touches, probably touches on the same part of the code. So I'm working on this right now.
Okay, cool. I haven't received the link to the second issue, but
sorry. Just give me a second. Sorry. And where was that? I believe this is the one. Let me paste in the chat box. Yeah, there you go.
okay, that's already an old one. Keptn version check on install. Okay, yeah, that one was contributed by Heman last a couple weeks ago, month ago. All right. Okay. Yeah. Let me just check. It actually was closed 6 days ago. Oh, okay, that one. Suraj, is everything clear on that issue, or do you have any question?
Not really as of now, actually. I think I have a lead as to why that is happening. So I'm just working on that. No
Okay.
questions as of now.
All right. If you have one, yeah, please feel free to reach out to us. Then we are happy to help you to get that implemented.
Thank you.
Okay. Then any other things to mention today? Okay, just take a look into the QA section. No question today. All right, then I think we'll close it for today. Thanks for joining in. Next time, again, the Keptn core team will give an update on features that have been implemented and also on the release 0.9.1, which we worked on, so that they have a reliable and stable version of Keptn again. And this is what we will provide as an update next time. All right, then enjoy the rest of your day. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.